Next, another deficiency disease is night blindness. Okay, night blindness. So blind in the sense you have understood what is blind. We cannot able to see. Here night blindness. What is night blindness? It is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. So here vitamins, you have studied about vitamins and minerals, isn't it? Vitamins are again classified into different groups. So we have different groups of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, like that. Okay, there are different groups of vitamins. They are again classified into different groups. Later on you will study in your higher classes. So here we are discussing about the diseases caused by the lack of vitamins and other nutrients. So here this particular disease, night blindness, is caused by the lack of vitamin A. Okay, it is a group of vitamin, that is vitamin A. Lack of vitamin A causes night blindness. So what are the symptoms of night blindness? What happens here is poor vision in dark or low light. Okay, dark or low light means in the evening or night, the person is not able to see. Poor vision means he is not able to see. He will be unable to see in dark or dim light if the light is not proper. If there is darkness or if there is no proper light, in that situation the person is unable to see. Such a situation is called night blindness. So usually after evening, these people, those who have night blindness, after evening they will be unable to see. Okay, they find very difficult to see. If they have proper light, then only they can see. Otherwise, if the light is very dim, in such a situation, they are unable to see the things that is in front of them. Such situation is called night blindness. So, how to prevent this disease? We have to consume lot of leafy vegetables, carrot, papaya, mango, orange, milk, egg yolk, yellow part of the egg. These are all rich in vitamin A. Okay, these are all rich in vitamin A. So we have to consume these items in rich quantity so that we can avoid this disease, that is night blindness. It is caused by the lack of vitamin A. Next we have another type, that is beriberi. Okay, beriberi. It is a disease caused by the lack of vitamin B. As I said, vitamins are classified into different groups. So night blindness is caused by vitamin A. Beriberi caused by lack of vitamin B. If your diet, if a person in his diet, if he is not consuming food that is rich in vitamin B, he will get this disease, beriberi. What happens in this disease? So weak muscles and nerves. So you have learnt about muscles, isn't it? So nerves they are the structures, they carry impulses in our body, isn't it? They are the part of nervous system, they carry impulses, senses from our body. So they carry messages from different body parts to brain and from brain to different body parts. So what happens in this disease? The weak muscles and nerves means their they function very slowly. In this disease, if a person is having this disease, in his body, the muscles and nerves function very slowly. They do not function properly. They become weak. And tiredness, you know the meaning of tiredness. Okay, next, lack of energy means tiredness and lack of energy. In the sense, the person will be inactive. He will not be able to do any work actively. He always feel fatigue. He always feel that he is lack of energy. You do not have energy properly to do the work. Such situation is called beriberi. So, how to control this? How to prevent this disease? What we have to do? We have to consume food that is rich in sprouts, cereals, unpolished rice. Means should not be polished. The rice should not be polished, over polished. Next, milk, nuts and meat. We have to include all these things in our diet because these are all rich in vitamin B. Okay, these are rich in vitamin B. So we have to consume food that is rich in vitamin B. What are they? They are sprouts. You have learned what are sprouts. So germinating seeds like green gram, peanuts, isn't it? Then dals, all these things. Okay. Next, cereals like wheat, rice, jowar, all these things. unpolished rice, milk, nuts and meat. These are rich in vitamin B. So we have to consume food that is rich in vitamin B. Next is scurvy. Scurvy. It is caused by the lack of vitamin C. It is caused by the lack of vitamin C. If our diet lacks vitamin C, then we'll get this disease, scurvy. What happens in this disease? Swelling of gums. Swelling of gums, okay? Symptoms of scurvy are these. Swelling of gums means this region. So, this teeth are embedded in the gum, isn't it? This region is gum. Here we have and here. So, what happens here? These gums are swells up, okay? These gum region swells up. Swell andre ಉಬ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ದಂತ ಊದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. And bleed frequently. These gums bleed frequently. Bleed ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಕ್ತ ಬರೋದು. Frequent ಆಗಿ ಹಲ್ಲಿನ ಕೆಳಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅವಾಗ ರಕ್ತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is scurvy. That is the symptom of scurvy. So if your food is lack in vitamin C, what happens? Your gums swells up and they bleed frequently. So ಈ ದಂತ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಊದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಕ್ತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಲ್ಲಿನ ಕೆಳಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ರಕ್ತ ಅವಾಗ ರಕ್ತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. That is bleeding frequently. So these are some of the symptoms of scurvy. What we have to do? How to prevent this disease? We have to consume food that is rich in vitamin C. Okay. So vitamin C is found in citrus fruits. Okay. It is found in citrus fruits like apple, oranges, lemon, grapes, tomato, amla. Amla andre nellikai. Grapes and cabbage. These are food rich in vitamin C. Almost all here, most of the fruits are rich in, they are citrus fruits. They are rich in vitamin C. Okay. So we have to consume all these fruits and vegetables in rich quantity so that we can avoid this disease. Okay. Scurvy is caused by lack of vitamin C. So we have to consume food that is rich in vitamin C like apples, grapes, lemon, tomato, amla, grapes and cabbages. Okay. So that we can avoid this disease. So night blindness is caused by vitamin A, beriberi caused by vitamin B and scurvy caused by vitamin C. Next let us see some other diseases.